Okay, this is video 2, back on this 2019 Ford Raptor. So, it's all charged. This vehicle has been sitting out here in the sun for the past several hours. So when I came to charge it up, it was completely heat soaked inside the cab with the windows up. I left the windows up and cooled it down. It's been running for 15 minutes now. It's now, the duct dash temperature is 39 degrees. Outdoor air temperature is 88 degrees. You can see there, 87, 88 degrees. 39 degrees out of the dash. So for those guys who like to charge by pressures, for whatever you know, at 88, and now we're at 85. We got a little breeze around here, thank God. Feels good. Only 131 psi on the high side. And I have a lot of guys say, oh, go use the PT chart, or go stick the PT chart up where the sun don't shine. Do not use a PT chart on automotive, especially if they have variable displacement compressors or variable fans that actually change the flow of air over a condenser that's constantly ramping up and ramping down, or they have one fan on constant and another fan, a second fan that ramps up and down. Do not try to charge by pressure, PT chart, temperature, only charge by weight. For those who know what I'm talking about, that understand and have experiences, you know. For those guys who try to use bubbles in sight glass or beer can cold, don't do it. Making the second video, so somebody who's doing the can method and is always trying to fill the AC with a can by using pressures, don't do it. That's all I gotta say. It won't work. It'll work. You will get cold, but those are the cars that I see back in the mechanical shops with blown compressors or complaining after the second or third time. Like my earlier video that I don't think I released yet on the Jiffy Lube job, that a customer kept going back to Jiffy Lube trying to get their AC fixed, and things didn't work out so well, and now their little Prius needs a expansion valve, a compressor, a condenser, and flush out the entire system because they got the Jiffy price with the Jiffy quickness, and they got a lube job all right, but I won't tell you where they stuck that lube. That's it on this 2019 Raptor.